What are you recording?
Just cornhole in the day.
Yeah. Nate chilling on the lawn.
Nate dog up there.
I don't want to be recorded when I'm
School's over with.
Thank God. Do a documentary.
You see Boom Boom's room over here? Have you seen it before, Mike? Right there.
Where does Boom Boom like to play?
Right there, the white walls are at. The bottom floor of the mansion, if you will. Those two white walls.
I see Morrison.
Well, yeah, right to the right of him. Yes, that's where it all happens. Next to the Italian flag.
Ah.
Oh yes, see the Italian flag now?
Oh,
The white and the red.
Yes.
We see that now.
Where's the French flag?
It's not represented in that house at all. There's none up there.
Le Belvoir does not represent. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
He goes, to.
Oh, stupid frog. Oh.
It's my toss, not my king.
Yes.
Oh, Vaughn. Is that Vaughn or Dave? Thank you.
Oops, that was a little hard.
It's always a little hard. Do you want me to do like a golf shot and like zoom in on this?
On what? The hole?
Aw. Bliss.
This? Oops, slipped, I swear. It slipped when I was throwing it. Right out of my hand.
Oh!
Aw.
A little short.
Short ones? Yeah, Mike's recording this. This sucks. I'm